Ever get the feeling your mechanic's hiding something, or worse, charging you for repairs you don't even need? You're not imagining it. Research shows over 60% of car owners have felt misled or overcharged at least once. And trust me, it's happening more often than you think. But here's the good news. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot and avoid the 10 most common mechanic scams that cost drivers thousands every year. So buckle up, your car and your wallet are about to get a whole lot safer. Scam hash 1, the bait and switch parts scam. You bring your car in for a repair. They promise you a top brand part, but what you actually get, a cheap knockoff that's doomed to fail. They pocket the difference. You get stuck with a ticking time bomb. How to outsmart them? Always ask to see the part, box, brand, part number, and all. When the job's done, demand the old part back. If they hesitate, big red flag. Trust is earned, especially when your safety's on the line. Scam hash 2. Unnecessary fluid flushes. You're in for a simple oil change. Suddenly they're saying your transmission fluid is dirty and needs an urgent flush. Spoiler alert, it probably doesn't. Beat them at their game. Check your owner's manual. It tells you exactly when fluid changes are needed. Ask to see the fluid yourself. Dirty fluids look dirty, not rocket science. Still unsure? Get a second opinion. Don't let fear sell you a $300 service you don't need. Scam hash 3. Overpriced diagnostic fees. Check engine light pops on. You go in, and they charge you $150 just to plug in a scanner for 2 minutes. Yeah, that happens. Fight back. Buy a basic scan tool yourself. They're cheap and super easy to use, or call around. Many shops offer free diagnostics if you get repairs done with them. Always ask, what exactly am I paying for? Reading a code, real diagnosis. Scam hash 4, the A, C recharge ripoff hot day. Week A. C mechanic says, no worries, we'll recharge your system. Charges you a fortune, and adds barely anything, if at all. Stay cool. Ask for a pressure test before and after the recharge. A good mechanic checks for leaks, not just dumps refrigerant and calls it a day. Scam hash 5. Brake pad overkill. They claim everything. Pads, rotors, the kitchen sink needs replacing. Reality check? Maybe only 1 or 2 pads are worn. Stay smart. Ask for exact measurements of each brake pad. If it doesn't match how your car's been driving, get a second opinion, by the way. If this is helping you feel more confident already, imagine what a few more minutes could do. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you're never blindsided by shady repairs again. Quickfire, 5 more scams to watch out for. Timing belt panic. Check your manual. Belts last 6,100 key miles, not random guesses. Battery replacement ripoff. Always ask for a voltage test. Most auto parts, stored free. Tire replacement scare. Do the penny test yourself before believing the hype. Engine flush scam. Regular oil changes. No need for expensive flushes. Spark plug overkill. Modern plugs can last up to 100 miles. Know your car's schedule. Your car is one of your biggest investments, and you deserve to control who touches it, how it's cared for, and how much you pay. A little knowledge now can save you thousands and keep you cruising toward a wealthier, more empowered life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little extra car confidence. Together we'll keep the power and the keys right where they belong, in your hands.